Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raft online with your friends. First, launch the game and choose the Play Online option from the main menu. You can then decide to host a brand new world or load an existing save file. Once your game is ready, simply invite your friends directly through the game's built-in invitation system to join your adventure on the high seas. As the host, you'll be responsible for creating the game world and setting any specific rules or difficulty levels. Your friends will then receive an invitation to join your session directly. It's important that the host has a stable internet connection to ensure everyone experiences smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. This setup allows for up to 8 players to explore the ocean together. Once everyone is in the game, effective communication is key. Use the in-game voice chat or an external program to coordinate your efforts. Work together on essential tasks such as expanding your raft, gathering resources, and crafting vital tools. Remember to share valuable items and food to ensure everyone on your team can survive and thrive against the ocean's challenges. If you encounter any issues, first check that everyone has the latest game updates and a stable internet connection. Also, confirm that all players are running the exact same version of Raft to avoid compatibility problems. For more fun beyond the game, check the description for a link to make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss out on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.